This umbrella is perfect for bringing a little bit of coziness to an outdoor area. It provides shade during the day, and at night you can turn on the LED lights for a pretty glow. It actually has 24 LED lights and a solar panel on top that it uses to charge those lights, and it's already attached. It is a 9-foot umbrella, so it's a really nice size. I have it in black, but it comes in 6 other colors. And I love that it has a crank handle to make it much easier to open, and it's even labeled on which direction you should turn it to open it or close it. And then it can even tilt. It's super easy to do. You just push this button and you can tilt both ways or just keep it upright. And it was super easy to set up because it's already assembled. You just put the base of the pole in an umbrella stand, and then the second half of it just clips into place. So even if you wanted to bring it in while you weren't using it, it's super easy to just grab the top off of it. It has a steel rust-proof frame that has a brown finish to it. And then the umbrella itself has a strap that you can use to tie it up. So like a lot of outdoor umbrellas, this is not really a rain umbrella. It's more for just shading you from the sun. And like most of your other outdoor furniture and things, it's going to be better to bring it in when it's going to storm, or definitely over the winter, so that it stays nice longer. I've been very happy with this umbrella in my yard, so I know that you're really going to like it too.